All right, we've just arrived in Los de Marcos. It's a small town. We really don't know what to expect from this place, but we thought we'd check it out. So we just got parked. We're heading down to the beach. Not real sure where the Los de Marcos sign is or any of that stuff, so we'll figure it all out. If I don't get run over first. So for those of you keeping score, Los de Marcos is about an hour and 5 minutes north of Puerto Vallarta. It is right on the water. We were staying in Las Ayala at an Airbnb, so for us it was about a 20-minute drive. Nothing crazy about the drive, pretty easy. Actually, the hardest part was probably finding a good parking spot. We're on our way down to the beach now. We're going to find a place to sit. Those guys are going to have a couple cocktails while I do a beach walk. That'll be the next one coming up on our channel, so don't miss that. Then we're going to go look for the Los de Marcos sign in town. We'll walk around, try to get a feel for the place. And we're going to get to the other side of the beach. We're going to find a restaurant, get something to eat. We'll show you how much that costs, how much the drinks were. At the end of the video, we'll give our first impressions of Los de Marcos and whether we go back here. This town is pretty chill though, so you might want to bring a space heater. Let's go. Wow, that water looks pretty rough. Whoa, that sand is hot in the feet. This place, just a restaurant?
Yeah. They just stopped in. They probably have to pay 10 pesos to use the washroom.
Well worth it.
Yeah.
This feels good on the feet, like exfoliating.
Yeah. It was powdery, now it's not. It looks like it gets powdery again.
So the sand went from powdery soft to granularly hard. Feels good on the feet though, and now it looks like it's going to soft again before the water. So that's what's behind me. Your dog?
Going back to his owners. He was playing with that guy's 2 dogs.
This is tiny, eh?
It is small here.
We were here at the south end of the beach at Restaurant Alzarohi, and we just had some drinks there. I had a blended mojito. That was awesome. Never had one of those before. Karen had a margarita, Kim had a margarita, and Al had a couple of cans of beer. All that came to a little under 400 pesos, but we paid 400 pesos with tip. After that, we thought we'd take a walk through town to the other side to try to find the Los de Marcos sign. I guess they've got 5 different trailer parks here in Los de Marcos that you can stay at. A lot of Canadians here, I guess. It's a pretty quiet town, really. A couple things you will notice. There's going to be street art in a lot of different places. You're going to see a lot of golf carts and a lot of ATVs. If you're looking for a town with a lot less people in it, this is it. There's about 2,500 people that live here year-round. That can swell up to about 3,500 during peak season. Not sure how long that population number will stay the same, because we did see a lot of construction going on in that town while we were there.
That way, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this way, you think? It's a hammy.
Excuse me, do you know where the park is?
Oh, the Zocalo? Just go straight up there. It's about a block in front of your left. Okay. Sorry.
All right, thanks. Nice shirt. After about a 20-minute walk, we ended up here at the Centro. That's where the Los de Marcos sign is here. And I believe this is where they have the market once a week. Just not sure what day. So we snapped a picture at the sign. And then we thought we'd just take a look around. There's a couple cool things here going on at the park.
Hello, DeMarco's. Bottom gun. So this is the park in Lodo Marcos. That's where the sign is for Lodo Marcos. And there's lots of, not lots, but there's paintings around. It's pretty cool. It's kind of neat. Holy crap.
They've got a similar arch over at Rincon to Guayabitos in their centro. Say it in almost every video, love the art in Mexico.
You got it all wrong. I'm shameless, I could care less. Oh, look, see the guys on the bottom?
Yeah.
Like a dog, that's kind of weird, the human face on the dog.
Oh, the human. Or the
I never even noticed that switcheroo there. Right. There's El Centro. You ever watch Dumb and Dumber when he says you want to hear the most annoying noise in the world? It's that guy up there with a power tool. Lots of benches, place to sit. We probably have a market in here, but we obviously did not make the right day. I will have to translate that for you at a later date because I do not know probably half of what that says. Oh yeah, the recycled plastic bottle caps here. It's not supposed to be outside, but there's a lot of those around Mexico. And I'm not sure what we're looking at here, but let her up.
He's already in the car.
Yeah.
Was he? Once you get in there. Okay, fine, thanks again.
You want a picture?
There's a room in there for you, Al?
Getting in wasn't bad. It was getting out. I had to crawl up.
See that? I have no idea what those two dudes are for, but they're kind of creepy.
A couple of minutes later, we found ourselves here on the beach at this restaurant, watching this joker fly around on his, I don't even know what it's called. If you know what it's called, leave it in the comments, please, because I don't know what it is.
Did you get a picture of the mullet dog? Did you see it again?
we present to you the Mohawk Mullet Dog. Here's the drink menu and the food menu for Restaurant Olivia. That was the name of this place. Kind of casual spot right on the water. And as you saw on the menu, they do take credit cards there.
We're here at Restaurant Olivia. We've got Skin Nice putting some fish tacos. Elle's got a hamburguesa with bacon and cheese. Kim's got a chicken quesadilla. That's the fish tacos. Not bad.
Those are
It's not the best fish taco I've had. It's not the worst fish taco I've had.
What would that one have been?
She wanted grilled instead of fried. They got fried.
Okay, that would be grilled then, or whatever?
No, this
Fried.
is grilled. We got grilled, they got fried. Small note, they got 3 hot sauces here. The green one's delicious. The middle one is okay. And the other one I see all the time in Michigan. So I'm used to that one. But this is hot. Probably the hottest one. The green one's the second hottest. The middle one is the least hot. Got a correction. There's 4 hot sauces here. And I placed them in the order of, I believe, the way they taste, good to bad. So the left one's green. It tastes the best. And moving to the right. And this is our view. Kim's gonna pretend like she's not paying attention.
The view there was awesome. We had supper there. We had a chicken quesadilla. Al had a hamburger. Big surprise there. Karen and I split some grilled fish tacos. They were pretty good. We had 3 icy cold beers to wash that down. Karen wanted a Caesar, but it wasn't on the menu, but she noticed they have micheladas on there. And for those who don't know, michelada is beer and clamato, so she just got a glass of clamato and a shot of vodka. All that cost 665 pesos. We watched a sunset from that beach. It's quite nice. Sun goes right in the water from there. You're probably going to want to be on the right hand side of the beach. If you're looking at the water, you'll get a little bit better sunset that way.
We had a great time exploring Lo de Marcos today. It's very laid back. The beach is much less busy than Guayabitos, and we did see a handful of people surfing and boogie boarding there. As far as mobility goes, the town itself is fairly walkable. The beach is wide and there is minimal slope towards the water. Out of all the places we visited, this is actually one I could see myself living.
So obviously you go back there then, right?
Yes, but next time I want to go on a Saturday. That's market day at Centro.
So there you have it. That was our day in Lo de Marcos. Pretty cool place. To everyone that has watched, shared, subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. We hit 1,000 subscribers. We couldn't be more grateful. We got a beach walk coming up from there in the next video. Hope you check that out. We got a lot of good stuff coming up the channel the next couple months, so stay tuned. Until the next time, cheers. You like that one? Here's a couple more good ones. They're gonna stick classics the minute they're posted. They'll probably teach university programs about these. Maybe put them in a time capsule and let aliens find them later. They'll probably end up in the Smithsonian. Yeah, that's real. That's a real possibility.